Benjamin Franklin once said, "There are no gains without pains." It's very true that you can't achieve any goals without making honest and serious effort, especially when it comes to learning a new language. You have to follow a strict routine to learn English speaking easily by yourself at home. Hello, learners, welcome back. Do you want to learn English speaking easily by yourself at home? Then follow the 15 everyday habits to learn English speaking easily by yourself. Number 1. Listen to English contents. Listening to English contents helps you learn the natural flow of the English language. So, listen to English podcasts, news, movies, TV shows, etc. Number 2. Mimic native speakers. First, listen, then mimic or copy the way the native speakers speak the language. This technique helps you with pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm of the language. Number 3. Read English materials. Reading is essential for learning new words, phrases, and idioms. So choose any book, magazine, or newspaper written in English and then read it regularly. Number 4. Write in English. Writing is a wonderful way of expressing your thoughts and ideas present in your mind. Writing indirectly enhances your speaking skills as it helps you express yourself in an organized way. So, write your thoughts. Number 5. Speak English daily. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to practicing speaking English on a particular topic. So, choose a topic and speak in English on that topic. For example, talking to a doctor, talking to a shopkeeper, or importance of education. Number 6. Record your English. Recording your English is also helpful, as this technique helps you identify the areas of English where you need improvement. You can use your phone to record your spoken English and compare it with that of native speakers. Number 7. Befriend an English dictionary. Using an English dictionary helps you learn new words with the correct pronunciations. So, use a particular English dictionary for looking up new words and phrases. Use the newly learned words in your speech and writing. Number 8. Naturalize your English. Do not speak bookish English, but rather speak natural English by learning English idioms, phrases, and proverbs and using them in your speech and writing. Number 9. Think in English only. This is the most important thing when it comes to learning speaking English easily. You need to develop the habit of thinking in English. This technique helps you speak English fast, fluently, and confidently. Number 10. Engage in group discussion. If you have English speaking friends or partners, then you arrange a group discussion and meet on a regular basis. Group discussion is an amazing way of learning to speak English easily. Number 11. Use language learning apps. In this world of digitalization, you have the wonderful opportunity to learn English through the help of online apps. So, leverage online English learning apps to teach yourself English easily. Number 12. Watch YouTube videos in English. Don't you watch videos of your interest on YouTube? You certainly do. Watch your interest-based videos in English only. Watching different videos of different people in English helps you learn different aspects of English, including different accents, styles, and pronunciation. Number 13. Speak with native speakers. Native speakers of English speak English naturally. Speaking English with native speakers, such as Americans or British, means learning the exact ways of speaking English. So, if possible, connect with and have conversation with native speakers of English. Number 14, join Facebook groups. Facebook groups are a super amazing way of learning English easily at home. Join English learning Facebook groups and debate and speak English with the group members. And number 15, join WhatsApp groups. WhatsApp groups allow you to not only write in English but also record your speech. So join English learning groups on WhatsApp and learn to speak English easily by yourself at home. Thank you.